Hello, this is Lisa Hall, and this is the first of my 5 technologies that I've decided to use. The first one that I have chosen is Khan Academy, and I'm using it specifically for physics. The reason I've chosen this is because it does fit the criteria of being free and not device specific. It's pretty easy to use. And of course, Khan Academy is well known by a lot of educators, very respected across the globe for excellent tutorials. My goal is to use this fall to teach independent study physics. I have a real small group of kids and they're pretty highly motivated, so I'm sure that they can do this on their own with my facilitating. The audience, of course, is students. We have so few students who sign up for physics that it's not appropriate to run it as a full-fledged class, and therefore this is aimed at allowing these kids to work at their own pace and get a physics credit. The standards that apply to this application are both teacher standards. The first is Teacher Standard 2B, and the use of this technology will allow my students to set their own educational goals, and they can manage the speed at which they utilize the lessons, and they can assess their own progress. The next one is closely related, Teacher Standard 2C. They're going to be able to customize and personalize their learning activities. In other words, they can do them during class, they can do them at home, and as they prepare to get ready for labs and quizzes, they will be able to monitor their own progress. So at the conclusion of a unit that aligns with our lab notebook and also our textbook, I will be giving them a pen and paper test. So you will open up your computer, type in Khan Academy, and I'm going to log in because I already have an account. You can see that you can log in with a Google, you can log in on Facebook, but I'm going to log in using my school email. So when you first log in and set up an account, you have different opportunities to create a class. I haven't added any students to mine yet because I don't have their email addresses. We're changing everything up, and we're getting iPads next year, so technology is a big mess at my school, and I'll wait until I get the information to set up my class. You're offered opportunities to manage the students, observe the student progress, and set up quizzes and different activities for them. When you set up your account, you will add information to your profile, and of course I've done that for mine. This is Independent Study Physics class, grades 11 through 12. And I've done some of the activities myself so that I can try and pace the students. Here's the little notifications spot, and if you don't choose to do physics, you can go to many other different subjects. I think originally it was set up to be a tutorial for math. They have a lot of different options in the science area. In addition to physics, they have biology and chemistry, and then they can get more specific into things like organic chemistry and so forth. So it's very flexible to be able to use for whatever level you have, whether you have elementary or high school as I do. And hopefully you will be able to use Khan Academy if you haven't already. I'm looking forward to using it this fall.